We have Konstantina, member of our ESM Alternative Erasmus Student Club, to give us a presentation about Greek habits in Gaia. Thank you very much.
Hello. Greece is a country with great culture and customs. In each area has been left a piece of her culture that transferred from grandfather to father and remains intact to this day. The Greek customs concern three vital questions for the life of person: birth, life, and death. Baptism is called a ritual of the seven sacraments of the Orthodox Christian Church. According to our tradition, when a baby born, a year after his birth, gets baptized with the name of the saint. The baby baptized by the priest with the help of his godfather, who has the role of spiritual father. In baptism, the godfather brings a cross for the baby. After the baptism, the whole family is gathered in the parents' house to celebrate this event. Engagement. In Greece, the couple marries before betrothal. The groom asks the father for the bride's hand, and when accepted by the family, they call a priest to bless the rings before putting on the pair. The guests wish the couple good cows. Marriage. Before the wedding, the bride's girlfriend tells her to dress up. The groom is forbidden to see the bride before the wedding because it is bad luck. During the wedding, the best man gives the bride rings and crosses the crowns over the heads of the couple. At the end of the wedding, guests throw rice on the couple to root their marriage. Follows feast with dancing and food. Christmas. Christmas is a celebration that symbolizes the birth of Christ. One day before Christmas, children go out in the streets, bringing the message of the birth of Christ with songs that they sing from door to door. Carry with them a boat to put the sweets they got from the houses they visit. In the way back, they put lights on the ship and decorate the house. Carnival. It is a seasonal celebration that takes place before Lent and lasts for 3 weeks. The carnival usually involves a public celebration or parade with elements of circus and display. The carnival is essentially a pagan custom directly connected with the Dionysian festival of antiquity. Hypnotherapy. According to the custom, on this day families are gathering in a home and enjoy eating meat and drinking wine. This day is like a custom roasting pig. More, there is another custom, dancing, a special kind of dance which is called Getanaki. Here we see a pig before hypnotherapy, a pig after. And here is Getanaki. Ash Monday. This is the day that starts the fast for the Orthodox. Families fly kites and eat in the countryside. The reason they fly kites is to drive away the bad spirits. Easter. Easter is the biggest celebration of Orthodox Christians. It marks the resurrection of Christ and symbolizes the passage from death to life. A week before Easter, housewives bake cookies and bake eggs with red color and symbolizing the blood of Christ. Yes.